Okay, so now I'm in jail. And this is what happens. I'm in jail for a whole day and a half. A whole day and a half without being told anything. At least they fed me, but they didn't tell me why I was arrested, what the charges were. They didn't ask me my side of the story. A day and a half. Then after the day and a half, here comes a deputy to the cell. Yeah, is this your phone number? I was like, yeah, that's my number. Guess what? Felony stalking. I was like, what? Felony stalking? It was just 2 shovels. Oh well, gotta go, bye. And then that was it. That was it. He left. And there I am. What the fuck? Then 2 more deputies come. Hey there. Hi there. Come with us. What? So there I am in the interrogation room. Okay? Here comes the deputies. Doo 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 doo. Hey there, how's it going? Yeah, I'm another deputy too. Okay, we'd like to talk to you about some posts. And then I said, what? Uh-oh, I ain't saying crap. Because after what the last deputy put me through, he didn't even ask me anything. He just said felony stalking. So I said, I ain't saying nothing. They said, take him back to his cell. And so I went back to the cell. What started it all? See, I worked for this guy right here. He's my boss, or ex-boss. This is the other guy that worked with us. He took a lot of naps on the job. And me. See, the other guy that I work with, this guy, he was able to do his income taxes. I needed my W-2 forms for the past 9 years because my boss, my ex-boss, said, he told me, I did your income taxes. And I was like, what? I didn't believe him. So I said, I found out from the other guy that he did his income taxes. He got a W-2 form. So I told my boss. I was like, where's my W-2 form? He's like, it's non-existent. The check's in the mail. I donated it to my favorite charity, myself. So that's what started it all. That's why I started calling them for my W-2 form 2 years ago. My ex-employer also told me one day, I don't even know why I'm still dealing with you, Bird. That's what everyone calls me, Bird. I don't know why I'm still dealing with you. You should be dead, because I've been putting plant growth inhibitor and Ranger herbicide in your sodas constantly in its concentrated form. Now this stuff, plant growth inhibitor and the herbicide Ranger, in its concentrated form, it's 1 ounce per gallon. He was putting a capful for every big gulp I had. And I don't know, he said for years, and he said I should be dead. They're carcinogens, and I'm feeling the repercussions of those things that he did years ago, because they're long-term effects. But it's hard to prove. The W-2 form is all I have. Okay, since the police, they won't do nothing. They're just telling me to prove it because I did call them before, and I have proof that I called them before. But I got to do the investigation and find out myself what's going on with my cases. I tracked down these 4 actually case numbers that are linked to me, but nobody wants to tell me what they're for. I gone to the I asked Lakewood Sheriff Department. Oh well, nothing, sealed. I asked the attorney. She said the one is my case and the others are nothing. But then why are these all connected to my case? They're doing something. There's something not right here, and I need help. Okay, and I'm not going to stop till this is clear. I think I know something that Lakewood doesn't want me to tell anyone.